Good morning, dear students. Today, in our class of value education, we'll start our chapter 3 leadership skills. Think there are some people who always seem popular, others listen to them. They seem smart and are always ahead. Why is this so? Why do you think your teacher has chosen one person among you to be the class pupil teacher? What are the qualities we require to be a leader? Leadership, in my opinion, is a very important quality for anyone who wishes to be successful. In life, you need appropriate leadership qualities for everyday matters as well. Who is a leader? A leader is a person who takes up responsibility and is able to motivate his team to do well. A leader should take important decisions at the right time. He should have conviction and a vision. Let's read this story and then answer the questions that follow. One day Akbar was in a foul mood when Birbal, in conversation, made a harmless comment about the emperor's sense of humor. But Akbar took great offense to the remark. He asked Birbal, his minister, friend, and confidant, to leave Agra. Birbal was hurt at being banished. A couple of days later, Akbar began to miss his best friend. He regretted banishing him from the city. He sent out a search party to look for him. But Birbal had left the town without letting anybody know where he was going. Soldiers searched high and low but were unable to find him anywhere. Then one day a wise saint visited the place accompanied by two disciples. The disciples said that their teacher was the wisest man on earth. Since Akbar was missing Birbal terribly, he thought it would be a good idea to have a wise man to keep him company. But he decided to first test the holy man's wisdom. So the next day, when the holy man and his disciples came to the court, Akbar told them that he was going to test the holy man. It was decided that his ministers would put forward a question and if his answers were satisfactory, he would be made a minister. But if he failed, he would be beheaded. The saint said that he had never claimed to be the wisest man on earth, though other people seemed to think so. He said that he was not eager to display his wisdom, but as he enjoyed answering questions, he was ready for the test. Many ministers in Akbar's court asked questions, and the saint answered them all easily. Perform a miracle, O saint, said Akbar, pleased, as he offered him a seat of honor. The saint smiled and said, think of someone you would like to meet, and I will become him. Akbar said that he would like to meet Birbal. The saint pulled off his beard and hair, much to the surprise of the courtiers. It was none other than Birbal. Akbar was overjoyed. I suspected it was you in disguise. He told Birbal, who else could reply to all our queries so cleverly. That's why I asked you to perform a miracle. Management moral. Birbal knew Akbar so well that he could guess his thoughts and feelings. This is known as understanding the leader. It is important to cultivate a good relationship with bosses, subordinates, as well as customers. How would I act if I were in their shoes? This question should be persistently asked in a business setting as well as in personal and family situations to establish strong ties with people. This explains how a leader should be and should not be. Now, let us see some of the important qualities in a leader. Leaders: responsibility, decision making, vision, team building, motivator. Responsibility and accountability. One of the greatest qualities of a leader is that he should be willing to accept his mistakes, take accountability and responsibility. MS Dhoni's greatest quality is that he openly accepts his mistakes. Even in the finals of the 2011 World Cup, He promoted himself to number 5, generally the position in which Yuvraj Singh used to bat. He realized that on that day this was what he had to do, and that was the day for him to perform. When you take responsibility, the team and people around you will go out of their way to help you. Decision making. How do you take these decisions? If it's a cricketing decision on the field, the best thing is to do is to talk to some of the other cricketers around you. Everybody can give you advice, and there is nothing wrong in taking it. As a captain, you should be able to listen to others, which is a very important quality. You assimilate your thoughts, take suggestions from everybody, and at the end of the day, you take a decision. Here is a classic example. When you make a bowling change and a wicket falls, people tell you what a great leader you are. However, suppose you make a bowling change and the bowler gets hammered, people will tell you, why did you bring him? Such things are bound to happen in your heart. If whatever you feel is the right decision, go ahead. Do you know the difference between vision and mission? Let's read about Suraj Lata Devi, the captain of the Indian hockey team. Even in her first assignment as a skipper, the team fetched a gold medal for India. Slowly and steadily, working hard, she made an entry into the national camp as a centre forward player. But very soon she showed equal potential in the midfield. Suraj Lata Devi is highly respected by her team members not only as a captain but also for her fantastic skills on field. Mission. The mission statement concentrates on the present. It defines the processes and informs you about the desired level of performance. It is generally the how of achieving a vision. The vision statement focuses on the future. It is a source of inspiration and motivation. Often, it describes not just the future of the organization or person, but the future of the society in which the organization or person hopes to effect change. It is generally the what of the organization or person. What is a vision? It is what you want and where you want to be. You have to dream. At the end of the day, all of us want to be at the top and all of us want to be winners. The vision is your final destination. Every organization and every person has a vision. A person who can see the vision and fulfill it is a visionary. Mahatma Gandhi wanted India to attain independence. This was his vision. He actually saw India being independent even before we attained independence. So, if you want to be a leader, have a vision, have a target, and an endpoint. Vision. Let's say that you are the class pupil teacher. What would be your vision? Team building. Another important quality of a leader or a captain is that he should be a team player. He should be able to get the best out of the team. This is team building. A good leader should be a good team builder. Motivator. A leader needs to be a great motivator. A motivator is a person who can talk to the team and get the best out of all the members. Expert view. Gautam Gambhir on leadership. A champion side is one that does not think much about qualifying. They keep thinking about winning every game. I always believe in patting and appreciating my teammates. This motivates them and they try to do better. They are trying their level best. As we are human beings, mistakes are bound to happen. A good side will always keep improving. You should have understood by now what it takes to be a good leader. Start practicing these skills and then watch, you will automatically be accepted as a trusted leader. So, this is all for today. Thank you.